A wrong Mistplay notification badge does not necessarily mean you have missing rewards. Mistplay's current troubleshooting guidance recommends restarting the app and device when minor app bugs appear. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the notification state, check whether the notification is tied to a real Mistplay event, and fix the badge without creating a new account. Start by opening Mistplay and checking every section where a new notification could appear. Look at your Events tab, Rewards area, Referral information, and any visible messages. If you find the notification that generated the badge, open it and return to the main screen. This can clear a notification that has already been viewed but is still displayed by the app. If the badge remains, completely close Mistplay. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Mistplay, and tap Force Stop. Then restart your phone and open Mistplay again. Mistplay specifically recommends force stopping the app and restarting the device as part of its general troubleshooting process. Mistplay supporten und. Next, check whether Mistplay itself is receiving current account information. If your units, GXP, or other activity are also failing to update, the badge may be part of a broader app or connection problem. Mistplay recommends checking its game time tracking notification when gameplay activity is not updating and confirming that the app can monitor your playtime correctly. Mistplay support Alt-Tune 2. Check your internet connection as well. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or switch back to Wi-Fi if you are already using mobile data. Mistplay's current error guidance specifically recommends trying mobile data for certain network-related problems and disabling data saver when it interferes with the app's connection. Mistplay supportet und. If the badge still shows the wrong count, clear Mistplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon, open App Info, select Storage or Cache, and choose Clear Cache. Mistplay lists this as another general troubleshooting step after restarting the app and device. Mistplay supporten und. Do not immediately create another Mistplay account. If you log into a different account, your profile and progress can look different because Mistplay accounts remain connected to the login method originally used to create them. Mistplay supporten for a year. You can also update Mistplay through the Google Play Store. After installing an available update, reopen the app and check the notification badge again. If the badge is wrong but everything else in Mistplay works normally, take a screenshot showing the incorrect count and the sections you check. If the problem continues after restarting, clearing the cache, and updating the app, send those details to Mistplay support. The practical order is simple. Open the notification, force stop Mistplay, restart your phone, check your connection, clear the cache, and update the app. Your next step is to check whether the badge matches an unread event before treating it as a missing reward problem. If this fixed your Mistplay notification count, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.